In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email automation flow from scratch. We're going to set up a simple, reliable flow that automatically sends the right message to the right people at the right time. Think of an automation flow as a set of cause and effect rules. When something happens, your system responds for you. That saves time and keeps your communication consistent. Start by heading to the Automations section in the left sidebar. This is your control center for everything that runs on autopilot. Once you're there, choose whether to build from scratch or to start from a flow template. Building from scratch gives you full control over every detail. Templates are great if you want a proven structure you can customize quickly, especially for common scenarios like welcome sequences or re-engagement. Next, give your automation a clear, descriptive name. Aim for something you and your team will recognize later, like Welcome Flow Newsletter or Onboarding Course Signups. Good names make your automations easy to manage as your library grows. Now select the audience you want to use. This could be a list or a segment depending on your setup. Choosing the right audience ensures only the people who should receive this automation will enter it. If you work with multiple lists, double-check you're picking the correct one to prevent overlap. Choose your trigger, the event that starts the flow. Common triggers include when someone subscribes or when a tag is added to a contact. Pick the trigger that best matches your goal. For instance, if you want a message to go out immediately after someone joins your list, select a new subscriber trigger. If you want to target people who performed a specific action, a tag-based trigger is ideal. Add an action, such as send email. This is the response your system will execute when the trigger fires. Sending an email is the most straightforward place to start, and you can always expand the flow later as your strategy matures. Design the email and then turn on the automation flow. Keep your subject line clear and your message concise. Use a friendly, on-brand tone, make the key benefit obvious, and end with a single, strong call to action. Ensure your layout is clean and mobile-friendly so it looks great everywhere. When you're happy with the content, publish or enable the automation so it starts working. To recap with a simple example, automations: build from scratch, name it Welcome Flow, select your audience, set the trigger to new subscriber, add send email, and publish the automation. You're all set to welcome new contacts automatically and consistently.